For us, the main thing is get focused on the mission, have a sense of urgency. We need a sense of urgency around what we're trying to do. We need to think about what it takes to get to flight, get to the next step on each part of this journey. And again, with a little sense of urgency. I think it's time for us to move out and get flying again. Engage our partners, engage our international partners, and look at the ways that we can do things differently and still get these missions done. We've got a lot of people that want to help us here. U.S. industry, international partners, and if we can all stay focused on the same goal, we'll be okay. Low Earth orbit is the place to go right now, but this gives us an opportunity to expand that even further to around the moon. Internationally, we've been using our international partners for years on the International Space Station. We think it's a great model to use going forward as we move out around the moon. Yeah, the space station, of course, is our preeminent testing ground right now for anything we want to do. It's the first stop in low Earth orbit. We're using it today to test technologies. We're using it today to get the human research done. We're also using it as a enabler for our commercial partners. We've got Bigelow on the station today. We've got several experiments going up that are industry related. And of course, it is the hallmark of our commercial transportation activities, whether it's cargo or crew. So it's going to play a huge role in enabling the next steps as well. SLS and Orion, of course, is going to be set up not only to just do the moon, but we're trying to be extensible to Mars. We don't want to lose that horizon goal as we go forward. But that's the role it'll all play. Yeah, I think we've had so much involvement with the Vice President's office in particular. It's just encouraging to see someone at that level so interested in what we're trying to do. I think it's the first time we've had that kind of level of involvement, and you see it in terms of the interest. And I've met with him personally several times, and the Vice President is passionate about what we're doing. You can just hear it in his voice and in the questions he asks and in the direction he wants us to go.